Ready, start. This writ petition has been filed by a student through his father, aged about 17 years, being aggrieved by the action of opposite party number 9, that is Principal La Martiniere College, Lucknow, declining him admission in Standard 11. By means of this petition, the petitioner has sought a writ of certiorari quashing the reply dated 21/6/2015 submitted by the principal to the District Inspector of Schools, Anglo India Schools, Lucknow, and has also sought a writ of mandamus commanding the respondents to admit him in Standard 11 Science Biology stream of Law Martiniere College, Lucknow for the academic session 2015-16 and specifically to the District Magistrate Lucknow for taking necessary action in the matter in accordance with law. The petitioner herein indisputably has studied for the last 13 years in the La Martiniere College, Lucknow, that is from nursery to standard 10. When admissions to standard 11 were being made, the case of the petitioner was also considered on submission of requisite admission form and ultimately the same was declined as is borne out from the counter affidavit and from the submissions made at the bar. The admission was declined on account of reservations of the father of the student with regard to his participation in certain activities of the school which form part of the extracurricular activities and according to the college were necessary for overall development of the child. During the course of argument, Sri Jaydeep Narayan Mathur, learned senior advocate, assisted by Sri Altaf Mansoor, submitted that all along the father of the petitioner did not get along with the teachers of the school who are veritably perturbed by his attitude towards them. It was also said that some complaint had also been made by him to the district magistrate in the year 2008 with regard to certain activities in the institution. Considering all this, the principal of the college undertook a consultative process with the teachers for admission of the students in class 11 and it was ultimately decided not to give admission to the petitioner student. The school has fairly stated that they do not have any grievance as regards the conduct, behavior, and studies of the concerned student, but the problem was with the father. The contention of Sri Ramesh Pandey, learned counsel for petitioner, is that having studied in the school for last 13 years and having secured about 89% marks in standard 10, there was no justifiable reason for the school for not granting admission to the petitioner in class 11. Not taking admission of the petitioner in standard 11 is an act of high handedness and arbitrariness. The father of the petitioner approached the district magistrate who ordered an inquiry into the matter wherein it was found that the principal had acted in a high-handed and arbitrary manner. Therefore, an explanation was called from the school and directions were also issued to admit the student, but the principal of the school had adopted an intransigent attitude and declined to admit the student. Stop.